Hello and welcome back to another episode of GMAT Friday. This is Abhishek Dey, your quant mentor from IMS International, and I am back with another question. Here's the question in front of you. Pause the video, give it a try, and then resume to see the solution. Now let's look at the solution. The sequence S is defined as Sn is equal to Sn minus 1 plus 1 upon Sn minus 1 plus 1. For all n greater than 1, S1 is 100, then which of the following must be true of Q, where Q is defined as sum of the first 16 terms of S. That means Q is equal to S1, S2, S3 till S16. Clear? Now it is given that Sn is equal to Sn minus 1 plus 1 upon Sn minus 1 plus 1. And it is given that S1 is equal to 100. So what is S2? S2 is S1 plus 1 upon S1 plus 1. So in this case, this is going to be 100 plus 1 upon 100 plus 1. This is 101 plus 1 upon 101. Now 1 upon 101 is insignificant when compared to 101. So I can say that S2 is approximately equal to 101. Clear? Similarly, S3 is going to be S2 plus 1 upon S2 plus 1. This is in this case 101 plus 1 upon 101 plus 1, which is again 102 plus 1 upon 102. Now again 1 upon 102 is so small when compared to 102 that I can write S3 is equal to 102. Similarly, what is S4? Now I can see the trend and I can say that S4 is going to be 103, S5 is going to be 104, S6 is going to be 105, and so on till S16 is going to be 115. Clear? Now you are asked to find the sum of 100, 101, 102, 103 till 115. Now this is an example of arithmetic progression. How? In arithmetic progression, the difference between every consecutive term is same. We can clearly see that 101 minus 100 is 1, 102 minus 101 is 1, 103 minus 102 is 1, and so on. Clearly? So this is a kind of arithmetic progression. What is the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression? Sum of n terms is given by n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. In this case, my n is going to be 16, the first term is 100, and the common difference is 1. Putting these values, I can get the sum, the Q, the sum is equal to 16 by 2, 2 times 100 plus 16 minus 1 into 1. That is 8 times 200 plus 15, which is 8 times 215, which is nothing but 1720. Now my Q is approximately equal to 1720. That means my Q will lie in this range, that is from 1700 to 1750. I hope you understood the solution. If that's true, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel for more such insights. Till then, bye-bye.